Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ben Wadescu. On today's tutorial, we are going to be learning app development. In today's app development training, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be creating a browser app. This is what we are going to create, a browser app. Now, an example of a browser app is Chrome, Google, Opera Mini, Phonics, and many more. There are so a lot of. Today we are going to be creating something similar to Doku's app I mentioned. So you click on the template. This is a template. You click on it. So when you click it, this is where it's going to take you to. What you need to do is you don't need to read all these things. All these things here is just how you are going to do it. Now what you need is you click on next. You click this next button here. Okay, so it's gonna load. Now once it loads, it's going to take you to this place. Now this title links is you are going to add some popular websites that will make your browser more easier for people to use. So one of the browser we're gonna be using is Facebook, Google, LiveScore, and many more. So you click on this title, this white this thing here, you click on it, it will bring. So once you click it, you just type the name of the popular website you want to use. So I tap Google. Now what I need to do is put the Google links to there. That's their URL. So you can put it www dot, or what you need to do is you put it as https https and you make yeah guys, so I've typed my link to my website I want to make sure is in my browser. So one of the websites I'm using is Google. So I click. Now what I need to do next is put this attached image. You put a Google icon to your image. So I click on it, it will take me to my gallery where I had my image. Okay, so this is my gallery. Here is a picture I'm going to use, original. Okay, you press this crop. Now here's it, the first one. So you do the same throughout the 6 links website you're going to use. You're going to add 6, but if you want to add more, you press this add more. So let me just quickly pause this video and attach my image and my links to it. Yeah guys, so I've added my site I want to use, and these are them. So you can use anything you want, anything. You can even put a fashion website, you can put a news website, just to make your users have fun with your app. So after this, you press next, this next button here. But if you still want to add more, you press this attach this add more. So just gonna press next, and it's gonna take us to our next step to developing our browsing app. Cool. So before you press this on next, there's something we're supposed to do is we add our background, that is the image to our background that we want to see in our browser. So you just click on this attach image, you press attach image, and it's take you to your. Basically I've add my um background image, so what I need to press is next. Click on next. So we're gonna go forward to our next step. Okay, so our next step is choose your home page. Now you want a custom one home page, the website adding the migrants. So there are types of this thing you can use here. You can either use this one here or the other ones. So in this part, what you need to do is you're not going to input any image. all you need to is click on the widget that is already here and press enable. Thing you need to do is, in every widget you are choosing, you need to make sure that you press enable, so you can also change the color if you want to. You can change the color to whatever color you want and so on. Or you press OK. Then what you need to do next is you press next. This next button here, you press it, and our app is almost ready to go. Now the appearance of your app, do you want it you choose your appearance also. You don't need to add any image, you pick from the ones on the website already, and also press enable. Then you press next. Then you give your app the name you want. For me, I'm just gonna give it a simple name as usual. I'm not gonna make it so big. You need to give my browser the name I want to give it. I gave it Ben Browser. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll click on the next button. Click on the next button to take you to the last step to creating your browsing app. So you can also preview. This preview means you are going to look at, okay, how your app is going to be. Is this how you want it to be, or you want to edit more? So you press it. Then after you're done, you press this preview as usual. Then the next step is, let's see how the app is going to be like. You have clicked on your app name, you have called it whatever you want to call it. Then you come to the icon section. Now either use the default icon or the custom. So I'm going to use the custom. That means I'm going to upload an image to my app. So that's the image I'm going to import is going to be what the okay, let me use this image because it now I have my background. So I will press next to download our app. So you press next. Our browser is almost ready. Press create. Now you need to download your app. Now you input your email and you are good to go. You just follow the steps I told you on how to download. You use APK to download though. Remember, use APK. So guys, that's all for the training. I will show you the app later. If you know this is your first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. See you next time.